Welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to create high-quality 3D animations in just a few minutes, completely free, with no software required and no payment involved. Whether you're a content creator, a designer, or just curious about animation, this is one of the easiest ways to bring your ideas to life using AI technology. Start by visiting DeepMotion.com and creating a free account. Once logged in, click the Launch button to access the text-to-animation tool. It's user-friendly, even if you've never created animations before. You'll begin by choosing a character. You can use the default avatar or explore the character section on the left. I recommend selecting a stylized character since it only costs 1 credit. This is important because every new account starts with just 10 free credits. To speed things up, use the random avatar button to instantly generate a character or customize one to suit your style. When you're ready, click Next. Then select your character using the 3-dot menu. Now it's time to animate. You can type your own prompt or use the one I've added in the video description. Paste the prompt, click Generate, and within moments your animation will be ready. 2 versions will be generated. Review them and choose your favorite. If you want to refine the result, you can edit the prompt and try again. But keep in mind that each generation uses 1 credit. Once you're satisfied, click Export. You can customize the output format, environment, and camera angles. Then hit Generate to finalize and download your animation. If you run out of credits, here's a helpful workaround. You can register a new account using a temporary email address from services like TempMail. Each new account gives you 10 additional credits, allowing you to continue creating without interruption. That's how you can create stunning 3D animations, completely free and with 0 experience required. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider subscribing to the channel for more guides on animation, AI tools, and creative workflows. Feel free to check out the other videos on screen to explore image generation and advanced animation techniques. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.